understanding currency pairs. Now, it's very important to understand what currency pairs are because that's what you're going to be trading when you're trading Forex. Now, we trade currency pairs in we trade currencies in pairs and not stand alone. So you don't trade one single currency, you trade them as a pair, right? So it's a measure of a currency, of the currency's value over another, right? So example here we have Euro USD, we have GBP USD, and we have Australian USD. So what this means is Euro USD means euro against the dollar, against USD. This also means pound against the dollar, US dollar, and then Australian dollars against the United States dollar, right? So you're going to be trading this as a whole, trading this as a whole, and trading this as a whole. So basically, what this means is if you buy this currency pair, this Euro USD, it means you're buying euro and you're selling USD. So you're buying euro and you're selling USD. And if you're selling this currency pair, it means that you are selling euro and you're buying USD. So what that if to explain that properly, it means, for example, let's say you want to buy euro USD. It means let's say you're going to a market with your dollar to buy euro. So you're using dollar to exchange for euros, right? And if you're selling your USD, it basically means you are using your euros, you're selling your euros to buy USD. I hope that makes sense. So basically, what I'm saying is when you're buying this pair, it means you're predicting euro to go up and you're predicting USD to go down. Because if euro is going up, USD is going down. And if USD is going down, euro is going up, according to this currency pair. Same thing works for GBP USD, AUD USD, and any other currency you find yourself in. What is a base currency? It is the first currency that appears in a currency pair. So what a base currency simply means is when you look at a currency pair, for example, Euro USD, the first currency there, which is Euro, is the base currency. And then the second one is called the quote currency. It is the second currency that appears in a currency pair. The quote, so the first one is the base, the second one is the quote. So when you're looking at currency pairs, the first one is the base, and the second one is the quote. When you're looking at something like, let's say, GBP USD, right? So this is the base and this is the quote, right? Base, quote. Remember that when you're looking at the currency pair, so that when it's good to know these terms so that when someone is explaining something for you, you don't get confused. So always remember, this is the base. The first one is the base. The second one is the quote. I think they also call this quote the notional.